Exercise 12.1, question number 1. You need to find the area of a circle whose radius is how much? 14 centimeter. Radius is given 14 centimeter. Area of the circle formula is pi r square. Pi 22 by 7, radius 14 square, right? R square, okay? So 22 by 7, 14 square means 14 into 14. 7 to the 14, then 22 into 2, 44 into 14. You multiply this, you get 616 centimeter square. You need to find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 44 centimeter. Circle is there. Quadrant meaning what? If you divide this circle into 4 equal parts, then each part is called a quadrant. So what is the total area of the circle? It is pi r square. So a meaning 1, okay? A meaning what? 1. Find the area of one quadrant. So area of one quadrant will be pi r square upon 4, right? So this will be the area of one quadrant. What is given? Circumference is given 44 centimeter. Circumference formula is 2 pi r equal to 44, then 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r equals to 44. Okay, 2 1 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 22 22 cut, then r equals to 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. Now, can you find area of one quadrant? Area of one quadrant equals to pi r square divided by 4. This can be written as 1 by 4 into pi r square. So 1 by 4 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square is 7 square. Then 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 square means 7 into 7. 7 7 cut. 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 11 7 the 77 divided by 2 centimeter square. This is the area of one quadrant. Question number 3. The circumference of the circle exceeds the diameter. Exceeds meaning bigger. Circumference exceeds the diameter by how much? 21 centimeter. You need to find the area. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Diameter will be 2r, right? Diameter equal to 2r. So 2 pi r, this 2r if you bring here, minus 2r equals to 21. Then 2r, then what is remaining here? Pi minus 1 equals to 21. Then 2r, pi meaning 22 by 7 minus 1 equals to 21. Then 2r, just take the LCM, 7, 22 minus 7 equals to 21. Then 2r, 22 minus 7, how much it will be? It will be 15 divided by 7 equals to 21. Then 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. Then 5 2s are 10. 10r equals to 7 7s are 49. That means r will be equal to 49 upon 10, or can be written as 4.9 centimeter. This is the radius. Now can you find area of the circle? Area of the circle equals to pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 into r 4.9 whole square. Clear? So 22 by 7 into 4.9 into 4.9. So 7 into 0 0.7, 7 into 49. And just multiply 22 into 0 0.7 into 4.9. Then this will be your area. Question number 4. What is given? Area is given. Area of the circle is 1386. You need to find the circumference. Area formula is pi r square equal to 1386. Then pi 22 by 7 into r square equal to 1386. Can we cut here? Yes. 2 on the 2, 2 on the 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 3 are 6. With 11 can it cut out? Okay, 11 6 are 66, 11 3 are 33. Great. And r square equal to 63. 7 will go and multiply there and do 7. So r square equal to 7 3 is 21, 1 to carry. Then 4 4 1. Okay, Great. Then r square equal to 441. In place of 441, can I write 21 square? Yes, I can write 21 square is 441. Square cut. R equals to 21 centimeter. This is the radius. You need to find what? Circumference. Circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. Then 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. R is 21. 7 3s are 21. And 2 into 22 into 3. Then this much centimeter is the circumference of the circle. This is the simple problem. Sum of the radii of two circles. We have two circles. This circle radius r1, let's say. This is a circle radius r2. Let's call it r2. Okay, the sum of the radius of two circle. Sum means plus r1 plus r2 is how much? 35 centimeter. And the difference means subtraction. Okay, if you subtract their areas, pi r1 square minus pi r2 square, if you subtract their areas, how much you will get? 770. Difference of the areas of the two circles, okay, is 770. Let's say this is equation number 1, and pi can be taken common. R1 square minus R2 square equal to 770. Great. Then in place of pi, I can write 22 by 7. Then what can I write this? This is a square minus b square. Can I apply the formula? A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b equals to 770. Great. In place of r1 plus r2 is what? 35. Given 35, right? So 22 upon 7 into r1 plus r2, 35 into r1 minus r2, equals to 770, right? So 7 5s are 35. 5 into 22, 110. Then r1 minus r2 is there, equals to 770. 0 cancel with 0. 11 7s are 77. Then r1 minus r2 equals to 7. Let's say this is equation number 2. If you solve equation 1 and 2 easily, you can get the value of r1 and r2. Why you need r1 and r2? Because you need to find the circumference. Circumference of this circle will be what? 2 pi r1. Circumference of this circle will be what? 2 pi r2, right? R1 and R2 are required here. Okay, so let's solve equation 1 and 2. So what is equation number 1? Equation number 1 is R1 plus R2 equals to 35. Equation number 2 is R1 minus R2 equals to 7. So just add both of them. Equation 1 plus equation 2 you do. Left will be added with left. 1 left is R1 plus R2 plus R1 minus R2. Okay, and what is the right side? 35 plus 7. Left to be added to left side and right to be added to the right side. Okay, so R2 can be cancelled. R1 plus R2, sorry, here it was R1 plus R2 plus R1 minus R2. Okay, 35 plus 7. Okay, so R2 I can cancel. R1 plus R1, 2R1 equals to, if you add up, it will become 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Then R1 will be 21 centimeter. Now from equation 1, what is equation 1? R1 plus R2 equals to 35. R2 equals to, can I write 35 minus R1? Yes, I can write. R2 equals to R1, if it goes that side, it will become minus, right? 35 minus R1. What is R1 here? 21. That means R2 will be equals to 35 minus 21 is 14 centimeter. So now easily you can find the circumference of circle 1 and circle 2. Circumference of circle 1 is 2 pi R1. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R1 is 21. 7 3s are 21. Just multiply this 3. This is the circumference of circle 1. Circumference of circle 2 will be 2 pi R2. Then 2 into 22 by 7 into R2 is 14, 7 2s are 14. Just multiply this all, then this is the circumference of circle 2.